Hi friends, we're going to do a science experiment today. So we have some milk in the bowl and we're going to put a couple drops of food coloring in. And now we're going to squirt some dish soap in. Let's see what happens. Now we're going to do the science experiment, but this time with water. And now we're going to add some pepper. Add a lot of pepper. This is one you guys could do at home. Now we're going to squirt another drop of dish soap in.